I think we can both agree here. This Lamborghini Revuelto is missing something. Well, in today's video, we're going to be installing the FI Complete Race Exhaust System that the new owner of this vehicle wants to have on the car now that this is officially sold. The factory exhaust system on the Lamborghini Revuelto is lacking, and it doesn't give that true F1 pitch. So in today's video, we're going to be fixing all of that for the brand new owner. The new owner of this wide-body Revuelto already has a pretty couple crazy cars, and they all have full exhaust systems on it. So he wanted to make sure that this Lamborghini Revuelto fits the theme of his garage. If you're unfamiliar with what the Lamborghini Revuelto sounds like straight pipe, today's video is going to be a treat for you. Along with the exhaust system, there are a few other things that the new owner wanted to change about the vehicle. These lavender color brake calipers are now going to be a little bit darker of a purple to match the OEM color that's underneath the balloon white PPF. The guys are going to go ahead and change those couple things. Now that everything is done, let's hear what FI did to the Lamborghini Revuelto.